Today we have a 2012 Ford Fiesta. It's done roughly 90,000 miles and it's fitted with the 1.4 TDCi diesel engine. If your Fiesta is showing this yellow oil can symbol with a little line underneath it and a message up here or a message up there, we're going to run through the process of resetting it, presuming you've done your oil change and service. Okay, so I've had the ignition on for a little while now, let it run through its checks. It's on position 2, the engine isn't running, so all I'm going to do now is depress the accelerator and the brake pedal at the same time, hold them down. And eventually you'll see the oil can has gone out. Now that should mean everything's reset, so I'll release the pedals, turn the ignition off, back on. As you can see, the oil can has disappeared and the message hasn't popped up in the centre of the dashboard. So that's reset for another 12 months.